roads, and we are continuing to get in a lot of pictures from some of the light dusting that is continuing to come out. Now you have to remember, Arctic air, it is dry, so it just likes to wring out the atmosphere. Like imagine you're wringing out a towel, like a wet towel, and you can get all that moisture that comes out. And considering we are so cold this morning, that precipitation is going to be coming down into the form of snow. You can see all of the alerts that we have here across East Tennessee. We have extreme cold warnings. We have cold weather advisories for areas in this light blue. Winter storm warnings to our north, where we are continuing to still see some of those impacts from the snow that arrived over the weekend. What a weekend. I think we're all happy to say that it's Monday, even though today and tomorrow is still going to be really cold. I'm finally glad to get this weekend out of the way. We are going to continue to see a fairly quiet forecast. As for snowfall this week, I know you've probably heard maybe some other people, long range models, the potential for perhaps maybe a few little flurries midweek. Right now, I still have pretty low confidence with that. Similar story into this weekend. I know that some of our long range models are picking up on the potential for maybe some activity this weekend. It is still really too far out to just like go gung-ho about it. I will say temperatures are going to remain cold this week into the teens and to single digits for your wake-up temperatures. East Tennessee looking at lows tonight into the single digits. Wind chill values well below zero. We'll continue to have more on your extended forecast coming up. Major concern, but another big concern is going to be the possibility for some potential precipitation. I know a lot of us seeing some snow flurries this morning, and that's because this Arctic air is just kind of wringing out every last drop of moisture that we have in place. So therefore, again, it's leading to that light dusting of snow. We have cold weather advisories, extreme cold warnings for areas shaded in blue. Unfortunately, that includes a large portion of Tennessee still just really kind of being inundated by the impacts of those ice storms that we had earlier this weekend. We're going to continue to see fairly quiet conditions here across East Tennessee. Winds will be coming out of the northwest today. We have this bitterly cold air that is going to be in place throughout the rest of the day today, tomorrow, and even as we get closer to the middle part of the week. Thankfully, what may be doing us a favor is hopefully the potential for some limited precipitation. Now, we're looking ahead to the weekend. We may see the chance for a few more flurries. There's still lots of time for models to change on this. So, of course, I'm watching it, and I do have limited precip chances at this moment. So we'll, of course, continue.